If you loved Wordle, you need to hear about this. The guy who created Wordle, Josh Wardle, has just launched a brand new game called Parseword. It's free, it's a daily puzzle, and it's completely different from Wordle. Let me show you what it's all about. So, Parseword is a daily word game based on cryptic crosswords. Now, if you've never heard of a cryptic crossword, don't worry, that's the whole point of the game. It's designed to teach you. Every day you get one clue. That clue contains a hidden instruction, and your job is to use wordplay to decode it and find the answer. It's got a full tutorial, starter puzzles, 3 difficulty levels, and it's completely free at parseword.com. No app needed, just open it in your browser. Let me show you how it works with an example straight from the tutorial. The clue is taxi reduced fee. Now, in a cryptic crossword, the word reduced is an instruction. It's telling you to shorten a word. So you take taxi and reduce it, remove the last letter, and you get tax. And what's another word for fee? Tax. That's your answer. See how the clue itself tells you exactly what to do? That's the magic of cryptic crosswords. Here's another type. The clue is animal among basketball amateurs. The word among is the instruction this time. It's telling you the answer is hidden inside the other words. Look at basketball amateurs, and right there, spanning across both words, you've got L-L-A-M-A, llama, an animal. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. That's what makes these so satisfying. There are 6 main clue types you'll come across in Parseword. Reduce, which means remove letters from a word. Reverse, spell it backwards. Combine, join 2 words together. Hidden, the answer is hiding inside the clue. Homophone, it sounds like another word. And translate, if you see French or Spanish, it might mean swap a word into that language. Don't worry about memorizing these. The tutorial walks you through every single one. Parseword has 3 modes. Learn gives you full hints and shows you the answer length, perfect for beginners. Play gives you some hints but pulls back a bit. And challenge mode gives you nothing. You're completely on your own. I'd recommend starting on Learn and working your way up once you get the hang of it. Getting started is dead simple. Go to parseword.com in your browser, phone, tablet, computer, anything. Start the tutorial. It takes about 5 minutes and teaches you all the clue types. And then try the starter puzzles to practice. After that, have a go at today's daily puzzle. And if you get stuck, just tap on any word and it'll show you clues and options to help you along. And that's Parseword, the new daily word game from the creator of Wordle. It's free, it's clever, and it's a brilliant way to get into cryptic crosswords without feeling overwhelmed. Head over to parseword.com and give it a go.